opening a Poopsie Crater surprise.
Tootsie, cutie, tooties.
Cutie
It's
tooties.
not craters. It's a
Oh, the other
poopsie-
one was craters. Sorry.
Or critters, you mean?
Yeah.
So poopsie, cutie, tooties. Cutie
Yeah.
tooties?
Yeah. So there's crunchy slime also, and there's butter slime. There's water slime, marshmallow slime, and putty slime.
What's the first one?
Crunchy, butter, water, marshmallow, and putty. And also, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's start unboxing. First, how do you open? Guys, I really don't know. Oh wait, how to open this? Oh, I got it. Okay, guys, I got it. So I'll show you the checklist. Okay, so these are all the ones. And then here's the back. Okay, these are the ones that I really want. And this one, and this one, because those are cute. And so I'll get out. Ew, it's squishy. Ew. Okay, so it's purple. You're supposed to cut off this, but I'm not. I'm just gonna pull the lever here because it's too beautiful and I don't want to ruin the beautifulness. So this is the bottom. If you don't want to cut this part off, so if you don't want to cut this part off, you can just pull this. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for this. And I really like the glitter, so I'll open this. Huh? I really don't like jelly. Okay, so
Here, let me
this
help
is
you.
what
Still-
it is.
It's still not fully open. Okay.
Wait, okay. Okay, guys, so here is the slime.
Ooh,
Comment down
She
below
already said
which one
putty.
that you got.
You want me to help you take this
No,
up?
it's squeeze. Squeeze it.
Wait. Is it all filled with slime?
Yeah,
Is it like a squishy? Oh.
and it has a toy.
Oh. Oh, it's stretchy.
I hope I got the cat. I might get the moon. I think I got the moon. Or the dinosaur.
Clear.
I think I got.
Let's put on the
The-
lens. Ooh, it's clear. Whoa. It's cold. Let's see if it poked. Not really.
What could this be? I think I got the bear.
What comes with the little? Kind of rips you off.
Wait.
Oh, this is slime.
So I think I got the bear.
Okay, guys.
I think I got the bear, guys. So I'll open this up. So comment down below if you think if it's the bear. Oh. Wait. It is. It's a type of bear.
Look at the eyelashes. It's so long. It looks like a panda. Is it a panda? I think it's a panda.
Yeah, I got this one.
It's not a bear.
It's
a
a
panda.
rare.
Is it rare?
Yeah.
You're lucky. ¿Cómo se llama?
Oh? I don't know.
Wait, I can't see it. Orchard.
Orchard.
Wait.
Okay, so this is what it is. So here's the slime. So clicky.
Not
This
really.
Is yeah, not
It's kind of stretchy, but
It's so cute. Guys, comment down below if you want me to open more of these.
she just wants an excuse to open them because she loves these toys.
This is like a baby one. It's so
It would be kind of helpful, you know, if they would put the slime in like a little bag inside of here. So then it would be open this up and it would be a bag because it's really hard to take the slime out of here to get all of it out.
Guys, look.
Yeah. Not really enjoying this.
Just the head. Oh no! That's not good.
There's still some more slime in there, as you can see, but we can't get it out. There's glitter everywhere now. Luna's gonna lick it. And so is her puppies. Wowee.
So, someone says it's like so smooth.
The eyelashes.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get more of these. Like,
You're gonna have to put this somewhere so Luna won't lick it or anything.
okay, about this panda and the slime.
Toys in general.
Yeah, the toys in general. And guys, I was too desperate to open it, so I had to. So guys, I hope you give this video.
Guys, I found a hat. So I was looking at the box. It says resealable bag. Store and save your poopsie slime. Because now you can save your poopsie slime. There's a little bag under here. So like this. And this is where you do it. Is this where you opened it from?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can just do it in here and save your poopsie in the container. So guys, when you're opening this, make sure not to open it from the top. Make sure to open it from the bottom where the zipper is, so then once you're done, you can put all of it in and then just zip it up. But for the slime, I was kind of hoping for the putty last. Yeah. She threw up?
Okay, guys, so this is it for this video, and so I'm gonna put the slime into the bag, and I'll put the little toy. So I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll put Anaya dash Izzy.
I'll add it.
Okay. So this is it for this video. So I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you next time that I do another video. Bye. And thank you for watching. Bye.